Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing well. I'm Manhar and welcome back to MSFT webcast. In this video, we are going to learn the steps on how to configure VM traffic mirroring in Microsoft Hyper-V. To configure VM traffic mirroring in Microsoft Hyper-V, the port mirroring feature must be enabled in the virtual machine settings. Port mirroring is also known as Switch Port Analyzer or SPAN for short. Let's take a closer look at what port mirroring is and why it's used. Port mirroring in Hyper-V is a feature that allows the traffic from one or more virtual network adapters on a VM to be copied and sent to another VM or network interface for monitoring or analysis. This is useful for network troubleshooting, performance monitoring, and security analysis. In Hyper-V, port mirroring works by configuring a virtual switch with the mirroring feature enabled. The incoming and outgoing traffic from the source VM is mirrored to a designated destination VM or adapter. This enables administrators to capture network packets without affecting the original traffic flow. Port mirroring in Hyper-V is often used with network monitoring tools, intrusion detection systems, or to gather performance metrics in virtualized environments. There are two types of port mirroring configurations. 1. Source, the VM whose network traffic is mirrored. 2. Destination, the VM or network adapter receiving the mirrored traffic for monitoring. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to configure a Hyper-V environment to capture traffic from a source virtual machine Win11-VM01 to a destination virtual machine Win11-VM02. Both virtual machines are hosted on a physical Hyper-V server named Hyper-V01. Both the source and destination VMs are basic Windows 11 installations. Wireshark is installed on the destination virtual machine Win11-VM02 to analyze the network traffic. Let's begin the process of configuring Hyper-V port mirroring. Let's set up port mirroring on the machine configured to be mirrored. Open Hyper-V Manager. Right-click on the source virtual machine Win11-VM01 and select Settings. Expand the network adapter and click on Advanced Features. Make a note of the virtual switch that this adapter is connected to. In this example, we are using an internal virtual switch. Scroll down and look at the port mirroring section. Under port mirroring, click the drop-down menu and select Source. This configures the NIC as the source of mirroring on the Hyper-V switch it is connected to. Click OK to save the settings and close the window. Now let's configure the destination VM Win11-VM02. Right-click on the Win11-VM02 and select Connect. Open the Run menu, type ncpa.cpl and press Enter to open network connections. The recommended practice is to create an additional network adapter on the destination VM and disable all network services for this adapter. This ensures more precise analysis, allowing you to capture a full dump of the network traffic by disabling unnecessary network services and protocols. Click on File and select Settings. Select Network Adapter and click Add button. Select the virtual switch to which the second virtual network adapter will be connected. This must be the same virtual switch to which the source VM is connected. In our case, this is internal vSwitch. Click OK to save the settings and close the window. The second network adapter is added successfully in Win11-VM02 virtual machine. First, run the network adapter to port mirroring. Right-click the network adapter and select Properties. Uncheck all the checkboxes for the network adapter. By removing all bindings, we ensure a clean capture without interfering with the existing network connection. None of the standard protocols or services are used in the mirroring process, as Hyper-V handles everything automatically for us. We are keeping this checkbox selected as this service is needed for packet capturing. Click OK to save the changes and exit the adapter properties window. Again, click on Files and select Settings. Expand the second network adapter and click on Advanced Features. Scroll down and look at the port mirroring section. In the port mirroring section, select Destination as the mirroring mode to receive the mirrored network traffic. Click OK to save the settings and close the window. Since Wireshark is already installed on this VM, we can now use it to monitor the packets and analyze the network traffic. Click on Start and select Wireshark to open the application. Go back to Hyper-V Manager. Right-click on Win11-VM01 virtual machine and select Connect. Open the Run menu, type CMD and press Enter to open the command prompt. Type the command ping 192.168.1.25. Again, go back to Win11-VM02 virtual machine. Select the port mirroring network adapter and click on Start to begin capturing packets on the selected interface. Go back to Win11-VM01 virtual machine. Press the Enter key to ping the IP address 192.168.1.25, then switch back to Win11-VM02 to monitor the traffic. Now, you should be able to see the network activity of the source VM. The IP address of the source VM is 192.168.1.11. We can see the ICMP request and replies to and from 192.168 to 1.25, which is the IP address of the Hyper-V host machine. This is a basic example. You can monitor and analyze other network activities using different protocols for more detailed analysis. We can also use Windows PowerShell to configure port mirroring in Hyper-V for VM traffic monitoring. That's all for this video on how to configure port mirroring in Hyper-V. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on Microsoft Hyper-V and other Microsoft related topics. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.